Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Get Fit with Sudhi. I am your coach Sudhi. In this video we will understand the yoga poses that are very helpful for hypertension or high blood pressure. Hypertension is a medical condition in which your blood pressure is constantly high and the readings are repeatedly over 140 by 90. If poorly controlled, it can result in heart attack, stroke, kidney and vision problems too. Restricting salt in your diet, managing an ideal weight, combating stress and following a regular physical exercise will definitely help manage hypertension. In this video, let us understand a yoga routine that is very helpful for this condition. Please perform a few rounds of Surya Namaskara A before you begin with the poses. The link is mentioned in the video description. Let us begin with the Uttanasana pose. Stand with hip width distance between the legs. Place your hands on the hips. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly and bend forward. Push your hips back. Hold your legs for support. This is okay if you are a beginner. If you have good flexibility, you can bend deeper. Inhale and exhale slowly for 5 times in this position. This pose is called Uttanasana. Now inhale slowly, come up. Exhale, relax. Do this pose for one more time. Let us now understand how to do Parsva Konasana. Take a wider stance, at least 4 feet distance between the legs, toes pointing front. Now turn your left foot to 90 degrees, bend the left knee, place your left elbow on the thigh, right arm above the head to form a diagonal line. Take 5 deep breaths here. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly for 5 times. Focus on your breathing. Ensure that your right leg is completely extended. Now slowly inhale. Let us do it on the other side. Now bend the right knee. Take your left arm above the head to form a diagonal line. 5 deep breaths here. This pose is called Parsva Konasana. Now slowly get back to the starting position. Relax. Do this pose for one more time. The third pose is Setu Bandhasana. Lie down on the mat. Bring your feet close together. Bend both the knees. Now lift your hip up. Support your lower back with the help of your elbows and wrist. Take 5 deep breaths in this pose. Try to lift your hip as high as possible. Ensure your breathing is smooth and rhythmic. Relax. Do this pose for one more time. We will now do Janu Shirasasana. Bend your right knee and externally rotate it. Make sure the right foot is touching the inner thigh of the extended leg. Now inhale deeply and lengthen your spine. Exhale slowly, bend forward, hold your left foot. This is a good starting point if you are a beginner. If you have good flexibility, you can bend deeper and touch your chin to the kneecap. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths. Make sure that you don't round your back. Now inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, relax. Performing Janu Shirasasana for the left leg. This means my left knee will be bent. The right leg is completely extended and the toes are pointing towards you. Again, 5 deep breaths in this posture. You will gradually improve your flexibility, so be patient with your practice. Now inhale, slowly lift your chest. Exhale, relax. The next pose is Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lie down on the mat. Bring your elbows close to the chest. Now inhale deeply, lift your chest up. Exhale, push the floor away from the body. Lift your buttocks high. Ground your heels. Spread your fingers. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths. Keep your legs stiff. Focus on your breathing. Try to breathe in and breathe out as slow as you can. Now slowly drop your knees. Sit on your heels and transit into Shashankasana. Press your forehead to the mat. Extend your arms and stay in this pose for as long as you can. Focus on your breathing. Now inhale, rise, relax. Let us conclude our yoga practice with few minutes of meditation. Close your eyes. Place your right hand on the chest, left hand on the abdomen. Pay attention to your breathing. Inhale deeply and bulge your abdomen like a balloon, and exhale slowly and feel your abdomen contracting. Do this for few times mindfully, paying attention to your breath. Stress is one of the reasons for high blood pressure. By deeply breathing in and slowly breathing out, you will bring down the stress levels in the body. Let us chant Om mantra for few times. Adopt Chin Mudra, the tip of the index finger touching the tip of the thumb. Chant Om for few times. Now lie down in Shavasana or corpse pose. Keep your eyes closed and make sure that there are no bodily movements. Mentally scan each and every body part and try to release the tension. This pose needs to be done for a minimum of 10 minutes to completely relax your body and mind. Pay attention to your breathing during the entire process.